Okay, I'm back in Edithvale, where I started these two units. It's a couple of units for Matt Fowler Unlimited. Put down all the floors, and then Matt waited and painted the whole place, and I put in the stairs last, plus the trims. I tried to do a stair that required no caulking at all, and it's almost there. I just still need a bit more practice, but yeah, the stair note's quite expensive, and I nearly smashed the one off the bottom off because it's the only one that really has a few mil gap. So yeah, I keep learning, and I've done about 150 floors, 200 possibly, and still learning. I don't know, it must be my 15th, 20th set of stairs. So let's have a look. So yeah, put the trims in, T-moulds, just push the carpet down. Now on the front door, okay, another T on the carpet, just look nice, another T. The tiler, set the tiles at 16 mils so you get a lovely finish. So here's the stairs, they're almost perfect but not quite. That really annoys me, but when I've caulked it, it'll be fine. But you know, there's a couple of mil there, pretty tight. I've started to undercut these beams now, or supports, so I'll fill that with white filler. So yeah, a few mil here, a few mil there, tight. All these 60s and 30s were a bit of a nightmare, 6 dodgy stairs, but again I put it in quite tight. I mean, really tight, but yeah, it's just not perfect. But yeah, it will be when it's caught or scuffed the paint there. It's a bit annoying. So yeah, it turned out to be a lovely little unit here. Everyone's going to be very happy here. Edge Kitchen's done a beautiful job with all the cabinetry. Dropped it straight on top of the floor, even though they say you shouldn't do it. What a load of rubbish. They have 40 mil Aquastop Moon. When I come up here, just notice that bit of top stair nose is slightly raised. Probably could have stood on it like an idiot. So yeah, I'm going to come back and caulk it when I'm fresh. Next weekend I've got to do another one. So it's so funny, I've got to do another moon this week. Staircase, luckily it's straight up without a turn. And I've got to come back and do another one in the other unit, but it's a straight up, which is something to look forward to. This was pretty tough, but yeah, really happy. Thanks for watching.